I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to organize the photos on your iPhone using the Favorites feature and Albums. So your first step is going to be to open up your Photos app. And as we can see, I've got a bunch of screen recordings here for making this, but let's say I wanted to put a few of them into an album. So the first thing we're going to do is click the Select button on the top right-hand corner, and then I'll select, let's say, 5 of these to be in a particular album. You can select all over the place, whichever ones you want, but make sure that you're organizing them appropriately to find later. Once I've got the right pictures and videos selected, I'll click the 3 buttons on the bottom right, and then I'll click Add to Album. Now you can add it to an existing album by tapping one here, or you can click the plus icon on the top right and then name this to a new album that you would like to name it. Let's go with Test and then click Create. Now to see this album, we're going to scroll all the way down, and we're going to keep scrolling until we see the Albums section. You can see we have our new Test album right here. We can tap on that, and there's our new album. Now we can also organize our pictures by favorites. So let's say this particular video is my favorite. I'm going to go ahead and click on the heart on the bottom middle of this particular little display here, and that has added that particular video to my favorites section. Now in order to see your favorites, let's go back to our display of all of our pictures and videos, and then we'll scroll all the way down until we get to this utilities section, and then there is our favorites. We'll tap on that favorites, and that's where we can find all of those things that we have put a heart on that particular piece of content. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.